Hook, have you ever wondered what Bank Kraken is? It's a question that often pops up in crypto discussions, but the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Context: Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform known for its wide range of features and security measures. But when it comes to traditional banking relationships, things get a bit more complex. Kraken and traditional banking, a complex relationship. The short answer: Kraken doesn't have a traditional banking partner in the same way that a regular bank does. Instead, it operates as a digital asset exchange, facilitating the buying, selling, and trading of cryptocurrencies. The longer explanation: Kraken's unique business model means it doesn't have the same regulatory requirements as traditional banks. This allows it to offer a wider range of cryptocurrencies and services to its customers. However, it still needs to comply with certain financial regulations, such as anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, laws. How Kraken handles deposits and withdrawals: when you deposit funds into Kraken, you're typically doing so using a traditional bank account. However, once the funds reach Kraken, they are converted into digital assets. When you withdraw funds, the process is reversed. Kraken converts your digital assets back into fiat currency and transfers it to your bank account. The role of fiat currency in crypto exchanges. The importance of fiat: while cryptocurrencies are becoming more widely accepted, fiat currency still plays a crucial role in the crypto ecosystem. It's the bridge between the traditional financial world and the world of cryptocurrencies. How Kraken facilitates fiat to crypto conversions: Kraken partners with payment processors to enable users to deposit and withdraw fiat currency. These payment processors handle the conversion between fiat and crypto, ensuring that the process is secure and efficient. Security and compliance at Kraken. Kraken's commitment to security. Security is a top priority for Kraken. The exchange has implemented various measures to protect its users' funds and data, including cold storage for crypto assets, two-factor authentication, and regular security audits. Regulatory compliance. Kraken is subject to various regulatory oversight bodies, including the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, in the United States and the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the United Kingdom. These regulatory bodies ensure that Kraken complies with anti-money laundering and other relevant laws. The future of crypto exchanges and traditional banking. The evolving relationship. As the crypto industry continues to grow, the relationship between crypto exchanges and traditional banks is likely to evolve. Some experts predict that traditional banks may eventually offer their own crypto services, blurring the lines between the two sectors. The potential for disruption. Others believe that crypto exchanges could disrupt the traditional banking system by offering more efficient and affordable financial services. Conclusion. Recap. So, to answer the original question, Kraken is not a traditional bank. It's a digital asset exchange that facilitates the buying, selling, and trading of cryptocurrencies. While it does rely on traditional banking infrastructure for deposits and withdrawals, its operations are primarily focused on the crypto market. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Kraken or the cryptocurrency market in general, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.